I've been looking forward to meet this wonderful lady. I've done a couple of videos. If you check my Photoshop tutorials, you can see her photos. I've been doing the editing and all that. So today she like wanted me to do a video with her. So she's now here. Of course she can say like hi and greet you as we do some wonderful things here.
Hi guys, I'm Frasha Joy. This guy is doing really well in photography and videos. I really like that. I like his job.
Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to use the 80D and the 4000D cameras so that I match them with my 18 to 135mm lens in the same. Okay, I'll use the same settings in both cameras, but the same lens. I'll compare the shots so that all of you using the 4000D and the 80D can know the difference made in the shots and all that. It is right now it is like 17:05 PM and we are located right now in in Kasarani. So let's get started. Okay, so right now I'll use an ISO of 320. I'll not zoom in or zoom out, and I'll not change the shutter speed. I'll not change the shutter speed. The shutter speed is 1/160, and the focal, okay, the aperture is 3.5. So I'll not zoom in, I'll not zoom out. So let's get started. Alright, so let's just pause like that. Okay, so just close up the glass. Alright, there we go. Okay, because it is getting a little darker and darker, so I'll raise my ISO to 400. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, this is 4000D camera and I've switched to the 18 to 135mm lens. I'll use the same settings I used in the 80D. So, and here is Frasha. You remember her name? I hope you do. Okay, so we start right away. Okay. No, stop posting. I'm still making my settings. I used an ISO of it was 320, then I raised to 400, right? All right, and the shutter speed was 160, and yeah, the aperture was 3.5 because, okay, I kind of like zoomed a little bit and it went to 4, so I'll check into that also. So let's set. All right, that is 4. Okay, in my first shot, I've seen that, you know, as time goes by, also, like I mentioned, it is 17:05. Right now, it is past that. You can check in my phone. Yeah, it is 17:52 right now. So I just raised the ISO to 500. Please allow me because I'm not going to take like very bad shots here. All right. So would you like come this way? Okay, right there. Okay, just that way. Okay, I'll try and move. Okay, let's go this other side. Then we take some couple of shots again. Okay, this side. Okay, right there. Right there then. This is ISO of 400 and shutter speed of 1/160, and boom, I've taken the shot. So of course, okay, come this way. I think we're done right there. So guys, I hope that video was okay with you, and it brings about, you know, the knowledge and the understanding of the lenses and the cameras too, so that whenever you're going to buy your lenses, your cameras, actually you do have the background knowledge so on what you're going to use. So thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll appreciate that also. See you in the next video.